So next we're going to learn how to make a half double crochet. In the US it's half double crochet. In the UK it is half treble crochet. So let's go. Make a ring to create a slip knot. So I'm going to get my hook, insert, yarn over, and pull. So there's your slip knot, and we're going to chain, yarn over, pull through. I'm gonna make about 10, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Don't forget the tension, and your hook needs to be facing down. So we need 5 more. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, one more, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 10 stitches, 10. We have chain 10, and now we are going to start making half double crochets. So we are going to yarn over, insert our hook on the second chain from your hook, and we're going to yarn over and pull through the stitch. So you are going to have 3 loops on your hook. See there, 1, 2, and 3 loops. So we are going to yarn over and pull through those 3 loops. Now there's your first half double crochet. So we are going to yarn over again, insert, yarn over, pull through the stitch, and you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through those 3 loops. That's your second half double crochet. So you're going to yarn over, insert through the stitch, yarn over and pull through the stitch to have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Let's do it again. We really need practice to be able to master not making stitches that are too tight or too loose. So we need to practice. So we're going to yarn over, insert, yarn over and pull through the stitch, and for half double crochet you will have 3 loops on your hook after pulling through the stitch, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through those 3 loops. Again, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through the stitch, 3 loops, yarn over and pull through those 3 loops. Okay, we have 3 more. Yarn over, insert to the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through those 3 loops. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3 of the loops. Last one, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 3. So that is your half double crochet or half treble crochet in the UK. So catch me again next time and let's learn how to do the double crochet.